Hi everyone, welcome back. We're playing my classic happy planner for the next week in March, which this time for real is the week of St. Patrick's Day. This sticker from last week. Okay, and yeah, so I'm gonna use Modern Farmhouse and this little green sticker book that I got from Target Dollar Spot a couple years ago, and we're gonna make something with these two. Okay, so I'm thinking, oh, I need to put this down, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna go through here and kind of use up the green stickers and then accent with this one. Okay, so that's where we're gonna leave it. I think it's pretty cute. Kind of like it. I did that. I used up a couple more pages out of Modern Farmhouse. So that's exciting. We got 5 pages. There are 4 here, and then I used up another box one, which I will use. I'll put it onto sticker paper and create more boxes, so that's why that one's not in the trash. But yeah, and then there's a lot of almost empty ones, so we're getting there. And I think this turned out really cute. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you next week. Bye!